Alright, today we will do some journey in Google. Let's see. So today I'll type my own website. Let's see what I'll type. Then I'll get marvelous AiLegend. Alright, so I'm just showing. It's coming. If I put this name only, what I'll getting. So you can see here. The first thing is marvelous AiLegend AAA.com. This is our website. This is Insta account, and here's LinkedIn, and then we will see that YouTube, Pinterest, and whatever it is related to. This is the same thing. This video is mine. I think back propagation deep learning by marvelous agent. Yeah, you can see it. So I'll click on the first thing what we are getting. Let's see. Alright, so this is the blog section. I think it's open. Assess. So if I'm clicking on the home page, what I'm getting, it is our first page. So if I click on the further adventures, directly I went to the entire that coding part. Actually, this is the blog. This is Invisible Cloak, Harry Potter style. I think we have already visited, but we can see what it has written. If you want, just take one example. We'll do all those things by our own. So for that reason, first we have to know what it is. So let's see, this is Harry Potter, nice. So let's do some kind of magic in our planet. Yeah, seems like daydream for many of us. Yeah, exactly. So these all are the Python codes, so we can see it clearly, right? Yeah, that's great. So this is the blog. This is other pages, I think. So today we are only visiting our website, right? Through Google. Means directly we put the name, then it is referring us to the page, right? So if I click on the logo, then what we are getting, that we are referring to the index page, right? Or else you can see that they're having that bird, Twitter, Pinterest, this logo. So I'll check it out whether it is working or just for show off. If I'm clicking on it, oh great, it is referring us to the next page, right? So finally we have visited our Twitter account. You can see it. Check it out. Elon Musk. Great. I'm great fan of him. Yeah. Obviously I'm an AI student, so that's why. Cristiano Ronaldo. Great. So I'm just leaving now. Let's go back to our website. Then what next? That Pinterest. It is also working. That's great. So what is? I think these are our pages. They're having Gandhiji also present. P- Symbol of patience, right? We can see. Oh, what is Urdu poetry? Actually, I think it's my ancestor gift. I can say that. So if I look at it, actually I didn't share it on YouTube as a video. I'll definitely read it, but not now. If I'll go back, what's happening? Oh, we have to just go back to our website. Then what next? That is GitHub account. I'm just checking it out with our website working, the logo and symbols, or it's just for showing off. No, it's working. So here, that's great. If I clicking on the LinkedIn account, what it's showing, we can see it clearly. Oh, that's great. So it is working. That is my webpage, LinkedIn account. You can follow me there also. Alright, actually, I have already shared the link. So next, that is Oh, great. This is also working. Crucial Python project backpropagation. Great. Now, Instagram, as we've already seen in the Google account, while we are putting the marvelous AiLegend, then Insta account also showing up. We're not signing up right now. So, this is our Insta account. It's not updated. So, finally, last but not least, so yeah, clicking on YouTube, and oh yeah, I must have to say it whether it is referring us to the YouTube account or not. Let's see. Ooh, so it's working. I love that song. Energetic. Great, great. So it's also working. If I click, is a network architecture for deep learning that learns directly from the data. Data can be anything, whether it is text, voice, speech. Alright, so we have seen that it's properly working our website. We have already checked it out. We did the testing and all. So now let's go to the about section. So here is not my picture. So this is my degree that my PGDS from Canada, BTech from Mechanical from AKS University. Then I have done my schooling 10th and 12th from Central Academy School. Now let's know a little bit about myself. Not myself, I can say that a legend author. So here you can say author loves music as thinks it's the best source of indulging in in-depth knowledge of anything. It also helps us to boost our brain. So according to author, music must be a compulsory subject. Actually, people doesn't like subjects, so I think author must have to remove this word. That subjects don't call it subject. Music is a relaxation thing. So actually author's saying something else, I think. So don't judge the book by front page. It seems like that. So here, subjects like games without exams in school because childhood age is the structure of an legendary foundation. That's true. I supported author. So it must have to strengthen a musical to awesome support for that structure. True. Now what next? Author also loves to play badminton. Great, because it gives power and authority to do everything by your own. It shapes to take instant decision and implement accordingly. And also quick action requires simultaneously. So be ready for everything, whether it's a winning outcome or failure. That's true. Means you don't have to worry about what will the result, because if you are putting your effort in something, consistency is matter here. Means also result also matter, but if you are not getting any result, but that doesn't means that your hard work is not paying off anytime. It will definitely paying you off after some time. Maybe it is time consuming. So we can't blame to other for our failure. That's the first thing you have to learn. And drive continuously through learning will reach the target. Just focus on the target and enjoy the journey. That's great. So these all are the certification. I think I don't want to read it. PGD, I think from CDAC, other and CNC training and all because we take from mechanical author did. All these all are the achievements and all. Let's go back to the. If I click on the logo, then we are getting to the first page. Now we can see here contact. You put your name, marvelous AiLegend. So what next? Your email legend.trophy at gmail.com. Okay, I'm just randomly putting the my mobile number, whatever, 8103, whatever, and then hey, great. Have a great day. Great. You can submit. So it's submitting. What's happening? Okay, what's happening? What's here? So if I'm putting back, I put any. It's not working. Means if I am clicking on the words ABCD, it's not working. It's only for integers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. They're having restrictions. Okay. So now go back, then go to the blog section. Then if I open to the clock, what we are saying, just check it out here. Because we are going, yeah, let's do some kind of magic. Look at it. It's a Harry Potter. Actually, we have already discussed in over one video that coding part of the Harry Potter, and also that page seems like daydreamer for many of us, right? It is like Harvard. So these all are the coding parts, so we can make the invisible cloak, right? That's great. This is the result. So if you're not believing that it's working, so it is working. Now come to the blocks. Next, how many blocks? That reinforcement learning also, unsupervised, supervised, SymPy, TensorFlow, Storyteller bot, correlation. These are so great also. So this, I think this is the wonderful website, and everybody will enjoy to make it by you. So that's great. So we'll do this later. We'll do the learn the course and make that website by our own. Yeah. Today we only visited here, just like a journey to visit any place. We have visited in the Google. Yeah, that's great.